Paco,
Open,
nandun po ang
Marcy.
ating management.
Diyan sa hirap ako. Janelle Saulog.
It is category, nasa starting gate na sila. Expert
Ito, guys.
category, please proceed now to the waiting area.
Hindi ko kilala yung iba
And
nito guys.
Golden Boys. Ayun na po, Golden Boys.
This is Ladies Open. First seat in Erika City. Oh no now! Good luck ladies rider here at Erika City.
Nasaan yung lady rider from Zamboanga?
Ayan na guys, binitawan na. All shot by. Wow, ang batang agila guys. Saira Paco got the whole shot and got the lead. Wow.
A lady rider from Legazpi.
La. Saira Paco on the lead. Wow. Tony. Janelle Saulog. Sorry guys, hindi ko kilala yung ibang lady rider dito.
From Zamboanga.
Pero sa hirap ako. Grabe. Ang layo na. It's Tado. Oh. Sa hirap ako on the lead for ladies category. Ladies Open.
Ano,
Oh.
breakaway.
Oh, nag-breakaway na siya.
Breakaway by Zaira pa ako.
Position.
So, race direction. Dahil ang Paco, follow by Rosado. Pamalo from
So, breakaway by Zaira pa ako guys. Grabe. Breakaway kaagad. Wow, grabe, double. Finish line jumping! Ah, grabe. Woohoo! Ayun no. Ang batang agila. Wow. Wow!
This is Janelle Saulog.
Grabe.
Rosado.
Wow, well, it's breakaway by Zaira Paco guys. Top break pa?
Tama po.
Wow.
Yes, ladies category. Actually, sila
Ayun, no? Wow. Zaira Paco breakaway. Ayun. Janelle Saulog on second. Ito yung second guys. Si Zaira Paco ando na sa ibabaw.
Sa lahat ng guests.
Ayun no. Maganda yung race track nyo guys. Downhill, uphill.
Actually, celebrate ko lang namin aming mga okasyon. Tinagpag Festival, Tupita kasi, and of course,
Wow.
last month kasi.
It's Janelle Saulog on second. And Dado on third.
already going down. The downhill section.
Zaira Paco, double. Approaching finish line. Ah, grabe. Butong-butong motor bay. La. Grabe ka talaga, batang agila. Iniwan lang lahat guys. Walang nakasunod.
This is scheduled for 4 laps over easy. 4 laps over easy.
Andito pa yung second, Janelle Saulog. Pero Zaira Paco, andito na. Ah, top break pa bay.
Yes, kasi sa
Nag-relax na Zaira Paco guys. Wow. Grabe. Kanina pa nag-breakaway guys. Janelle Saulog on second. Dado on third. Wow.
Nasa weekend ka lang. Kaya lang, merong iba.
Peter mo, round number 2, Sige.
Grabe. Parang kalahati ng racetrack ang niniwan ni Saira Paco sa second, guys. Wow! White flag! Grabe. Top break pa sa ibabaw, oh.
For the ladies category.
Top break pa sa ibabaw, oh.
Already crossed the white flag.
Wow.
Last lap na
Wow.
po.
Last lap, last lap, last lap. Wow. Last lap, last lap. Ang lakas po talagang bata ka. Ah. Dito pa yung second, guys. Parang karahati ng racetrack yung second. Ayan, nag-relax din sa hirap ako, guys. Wow.
Ay, white flag also for Janelle Saulog.
White flag, white flag.
Hey, Dado.
Second, Janelle Saulog. Dado on third.
Ina Dado. 7. That's Celestes Segi.
Fourth, Big. Second, Janelle Saulog. Pero sa hirap ako, guys, ang layo na. Ayun, oh. Waiting for checkered flag. Wow. Checkered flag.
Alright, record vlog na po tayo.
Grabe.
Para sa ating rider from Zamboanga City.
Congratulations.
Checkered. For Saira Paco, guys. First in the first heat. For ladies category.
Pakitulungan. Pakitulungan na lang eh.
Second, Janelle Saulog.
Pakitulungan na lang. Second place, Janelle Saulog.
Dado on third. Fourth. Fifth.
Place number 5.
Wow. Checkered.